welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to Cruise Culture for a dyno session. Yes, you heard that right, we are down with Lawrence at Wide Open Throttle on his mobile dyno at Cruise Culture, and we are putting Ben's E36 on the dyno as the first one of the day. So let's get stuck in. A dyno, or dynamometer to use its full name, is a mechanical device used to accurately measure the vehicle's power output. Dyno designs do vary depending on whether they are two-wheel drive dynos or four-wheel drive dynos. Either way, a dyno will have a set of rollers to which a vehicle will be strapped to. The vehicle will then be warmed up through the gears and a power run carried out at full throttle will be completed. The dyno cleverly measures the torque against the engine speed and calculates the horsepower using the equation horsepower equals torque multiplied by RPM divided by 5,252. Or to put it simply, car magic stuff. So this right here for us is the exciting part. For the owner, not so much, because this is where the nerves start flying. But as you can see here, Lawrence is setting up as we speak, because more than ever you want this car secure. You do not want this flying either that way or that way. This is the great thing about Cruise Culture setting up. It is fantastic. So thanks to Lawrence, Ben's E36 is the first one that's going on his mobile dyno. I'm very excited for this. I don't know how Ben feels, but Right, so obviously many people know you, dude, and many people know the car, but for those that don't, can you tell us what it is and what's been done to it?
Yeah, so it's a 1995 E36 328. It's got an engine that I bought off of eBay.
Oh yeah.
And fitted that. So it's a standard 328 engine. I put an M50 manifold off a 325 on there. There's a custom made exhaust on it. We're still retaining the original cats and stuff.
Which is surprising.
And then it's got a tubular 6 to 2
beautiful
manifold on it. Just a cone filter and a remap. So rev limit is about 7,200 RPM, so hopefully we'll be.
So it's all the usual good stuff that people do to the E36s.
Yeah.
From the factory many years ago, they were what, 190 odd?
193 horsepower.
So in the real world, what do you reckon? It's hard to say, because as we always say, every dyno is different. And one thing I love about Lawrence is many dyno places, they can basically give you any figure you want. They will embellish a little bit to keep the customer happy. Lawrence prides himself on being accurate. So with that in mind, what do you reckon?
So I'm hoping for 200 horsepower.
If I would say if we can crack 200, good day.
I'd be happy with that.
And if it keeps all the coolant and it stays in one piece, then it's a good day. So it's warming up, let's get stuck in. So with most cars I would be stood behind because of the exhaust, but the induction noise that this makes, we're going to start off at the front. Make sure your coffee's nice and warm. Right, Ben's E36, 328 as you know. What do you reckon? Now, I had a chat with Lawrence yesterday. He said basically most dyno places you can get, they can give you any number they want. He prides himself on being accurate.
Okay.
What do you reckon?
They all do, no offense. What's it stock? About 200?
190 odd from the factory.
I'm going to say 220.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I've seen it go on track and it goes down.
That's very true.
So I'm going to say 220.
I'm going to say around the 205 mark. So
I'm being generous. Team Ben.
Right, so we've heard the induction noise from the front, but it does also sound phenomenal from the back as well. So So the third and final run, you do get 3 power runs to make sure they are running consistent. Lawrence just gave us a hint saying it seems like a very healthy engine for the mileage and everything. So even I'm excited. I know Ben's itching to find out. Well, he's smiling, which is a good sign. I looked and he's smiling his head off. So
you just riding a
someone else's car, yeah.
Tell you what I've experienced as well with the rolling road. You lose about a horsepower per 10,000 miles or something like that.
Yeah, wow.
You should be 15 down. 10 to 15 down, 180, 175 or something.
Okay.
Okay, so
if it's been well looked after.
what do you reckon in your experience then? What do you reckon?
I would have said,
Oh yeah, he knows.
No, no.
Sorry, what would you have said? I meant.
I would have gone, because I've had 2 of these on, so, and they don't lose that much, so I would have
Right.
gone 185. If we're working on 190 knee, I'd
Yeah,
go
yeah.
185 or something.
Okay.
180, 185.
Yeah, fantastic. What do you reckon?
I'm gonna. All right, I know I was a bit optimistic at the beginning. I'm gonna go 194.
Okay.
I'm going to go 224.
Oh, okay, 224.
Yeah, I'm gonna go around 198.
And I'm going to say standard power, so I'm going to stick with 193.
I made the mistake here of asking the professional first, so everyone's gone off his bets now. I'm going to stick with my 205 because I'm feeling generous. Can you now tell us what it ran?
Oh, I could disappoint 2 of you, I'm afraid. The best run was 197.
Oh, okay. Nice. And like we said, Lawrence prides himself on being accurate, so it's nice to know that that's... And you were smiling the whole time, so that says a lot, and it's still in one piece.
Sounds wicked, yeah.
Yeah, that's the main thing.
There's a ton of rotating mass there, and you can hear it. Like the car yesterday had 90 horsepower. It took 20 seconds or something. This thing is, it's just through the revs so quick. Yeah,
wow.
Nice.
So yeah, this guy sees a lot of cars, so that's, yeah. Wow.
That's a cracking result, yeah.
Awesome.
Let's have a look at the torque curve here. Get it nice and bright, that's as bright as it goes. So I've got to rescale it because it's gone off the scale.
Off the record, wow.
There you go,
that is
so it's
smooth,
a lovely
Wow.
flat torque curve.
That was Ben's E36 on the mobile dyno, wide open throttle at Cruise Culture. 197 may not sound a lot to everyone, like I said, the fact that he's tried to be as accurate as possible, and like people think you put an air filter on, you gain 50 horsepower.
It don't work like that without any mapping or anything. At the end of the day, like I said, we've seen this thing go around the track, and the power curve and everything on the graph looks brilliant. That's what you want. Numbers don't matter. It's how smooth.
As soon as you saw the power graph, you thought, yep, happy, that's what you want, and that's what you should be looking for, and I know Ben is happy with that.
Yeah.
So, we may be getting a couple of the other cars on here for today, so stay tuned. But for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one.
It didn't go boom.
Yeah, anticlimactic.